Sermon number 98. Oppression of the Umayyads. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. By Allah, they would continue like this till there would be left no unlawful act before Allah but they would make it lawful, and no pledge but they would break it, and till there would remain no house of bricks or of woolen tents but their oppression would enter it. Their bad dealings would make them wretched. Till two groups of crying complainants would rise, one would cry for his religion and the other for this world, and the help of one of you to one of them would be like the help of a slave to his master, namely when he is present he obeys him, but when the master is away he backbites him. The highest among you in distress would be he who bear best belief about Allah. If Allah grants you safety, accept it, and if you are put in trouble, endure it, because surely, good result is for the God-fearing.